Hey guys, welcome to Car Crazy Gans. Here's an update on the trunk seal I put in. So, turned out pretty good. Turned out pretty good. I used that glue I used here, and it's on there. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, I got this edge here, but it is what it is. Anyways, turned out really good. I thought I'd show that to you guys. So, if you're doing any kind of weather stripping like this, similar like this, it's good stuff. It's a little bit thinner, and it's not as messy as the other contact cement. So works really good. I'm happy with this. Next is going to be the door seals around the doors. So make sure you get it nice and tacky before you put your stuff on there. It's like the old contact cement, but you know, this just goes further, thinner. As you can see on there. Anyways, I thought I'd show it to you guys. The car is jacked up off the ground because I'm getting my exhaust this week for it. So when we get the exhaust in, show you guys how it's gonna go, and go from there. So I'm gonna be doing a custom exhaust on this thing. Can't wait. So I'm actually getting well, the exhaust system I have has a muffler across the back like it would originally, but I'm actually getting a Flowmaster further in there too, and it's one in and two out. This kind of muffler they would have used on something like this, or well, it's aftermarket of course, but probably on the Camaros, like modern Camaros. So one in and two out. So it's kind of cool. Anyway, so waiting for that, and yeah. So when we get the exhaust system in, I'll show you more about it. Right now I'm doing body work on the hood. I'll show that to you in a minute. Down here, car's dirty, dirty, dirty. Oh. Turn the tunes off. Don't want to get in trouble. Sorry it's dark back in here. It doesn't only source the light I have back here is trouble light. So, and it's gonna fall off the hook. Yeah. So anyways, this is my project tractor I'm working on. So anyways, here's the hood scoop. I've been doing a bunch of body work on it, and getting all the tickety-boo and everything. Getting it's all feathered in and everything, so it's looking pretty cool. I like it. Of course, I should have masked off everything, because now I have to deal with rub marks on the paint. So I'll just sand it down, repaint it, and then, you know, of course, paint this all white here first, and then the rest of it. But anyways, you get to see that. So anyways, what else? We are also working on the bumper. Got some scratch marks on the bumper here, and I put some putty on there. And I also should be getting the chrome wrap this week. So well, it's coming from China. No, it's not coming from China. It's coming from somewhere in Ontario, I guess. Somewhere back east it's coming from. Anyways, sand all these little things here that would happen when I was grinding the thing off there. The grinder had hit it, so, and here and there. So get nice and smooth. Give it a quick prime. Clean up real good, and then we can get it ready for the chrome wrap. These I'm gonna leave in here, so I don't want to mess with those. Just go around it. Yeah, so it's coming along pretty good. Today's a rainy day. It's a good day to work on cars. So there you have it. A little progress update on that. So anyways, when we get more done, I'll bring you guys back and be another update on the car. So anyways, thanks for watching my video, and remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my videos, and be more coming up from the 76 Hurst GT0 clone project.